Lately, I've noticed a big trend where creators simply post Google Earth videos and consistently go viral. This page posts celebrity house videos, while this one makes thousands of dollars posting videos of national monuments and historical places. Thanks to TikTok's creativity program, tons of people have been able to make thousands of dollars a month just by posting faceless TikTok videos. With this niche, the potential is endless. You can create videos for stadiums, volcanoes, famous bridges, historic locations, biomes, islands, and highways. There are tons of different videos you could make in this style. For example, you'll never run out of original ideas. Just go to ChatGPT, explain what type of videos you're making, and ask it to generate 100 video ideas in that niche. And there you go, you won't run out of video ideas for years. This niche can make you thousands of dollars per month and has little competition, which means a high success rate. So in this video, I'm going to be walking through step by step how to quickly create these Google Earth videos for free. They're too easy to create and literally anyone can do them. So there's this amazing tool called Google Earth Studio, and to access it, you just need to type earth.google.com/studio, and you will come to this page, and all you have to do is sign up. You will do that with your Google account, and you only need to provide some basic information such as your name. After signing up, you will land on this amazing tool called Google Earth Studio. So here we are going to create our video, but first, we need a title and story for our video. So the first step of this process is obviously coming up with an idea. Open ChatGPT and insert this prompt. I'll show you the prompt shortly. You can pause the video or find it below in the description. So we have 30 locations, and for the sake of demonstration, let's choose the Tower of London, United Kingdom. Now, we want to ask ChatGPT for a good script. Okay, so we have our prompt here. Let's press enter and see what ChatGPT will give us. And of course, this prompt will also be in the description. So, this is the script generated for me. So, I will copy and paste this, and now we will head over to 11 Labs, which is our third step. So, we're just going to choose a voiceover that we like, and then we're going to paste in the script. So, click here to choose your voiceover, but I've already chosen mine, and that's Daniel. I really like the way he sounds. However, you can choose whatever you want. Then you can adjust these voice settings. So we're going to keep stability around 40 and paste the script in, and then we're going to generate.
Imagine a place where secrets whisper through ancient stones, where the echoes of history reverberate with tales of power.
Okay, so we're going to download that in the bottom right corner here. Now that we have the script and voiceover done, we can finally head to Google Earth Studio for the best part, animating. So we have a couple of options here. You can choose a blank project, or you can choose quick starts, which means you have a couple of templates there. So you have zoom to. This one is orbit. The third one is point to point. This one is spiral. And there is a fifth one, which is my favorite, fly to and orbit. And today, I'll use this template for my video. So all you need to do is just click start, and right away, you will be redirected to the next window where you'll see this small window at the bottom where you can input the location you want to go to. We chose the Tower of London, so here we'll insert our location and select this one. Okay, so here it is. Let's go next. And right away, I have this default template with rotating video around this castle. So here at the bottom, we have fields where we can change some attributes. I'll only change the first one, so I'll make it a little bit smaller so that we can see the blue sky as well. Let's go next. So we have 25 seconds on the video, but I'll change it to 61 seconds so that we'll be eligible for the creativity program. Then I'll click accept, and here we are. So if we click and hold, we can move around like this. Now, if you want to zoom out or zoom in, you're just going to zoom. Also, to rotate, we're going to double click and hold, and there we go. We can rotate just like this. And here are some options on the left side. So we have camera position keyframes already predefined, and I will not change them. We also have a camera target, which I will leave as is, and there is a camera rotation keyframes as well, which are pretty fine. Now we're going to the top left corner where it says File, and we're going to click Project Settings because we want to set up our video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So you're going to want to uncheck this and then change this to 1080 and this other side to 1920. And then instead of using frames, we're going to make this time code, and also there is a frame rate. It's up to you which one you want to choose. I'll go with 60 frames per second. Additionally, I'll select the checkbox existing keyframes to new duration and click done. So I see my timeline adjusted and I have 61 seconds of it. Now we will go to the left side and click on Add Attributes. So here are some additional attributes that I can add to the existing ones. They are Field of View, Clouds, and 3D Building. And finally, click Done. Now why did we need to add this field of view? So by default, this one is set to 20 degrees. And now, if we click to watch the video, we will see what it looks like. But now if I change it, let's say to 10 degrees in play, we can see that the image got a little bit closer than before. So I want this video to start from a wide angle, and I'll put the keyframe here. So we're at the very beginning after 4 seconds. So click Add Keyframe, and then I'll go a little bit further where I want the image to get a little bit closer. And I will choose here 10 degrees. And we can see that it definitely works. We can do another keyframe here and move it away again to 20 degrees. And look how it turned out. We can also make it a little bit smoother. Just right, click on the first keyframe and choose Ease Out, then choose the last keyframe and click Ease In. And thanks to that, we have a smoother view. So here's how it looks right now. Pretty cool, right? I'd assume that you can probably do a little bit of a better job than me. If we're fine with our result, what we can do now is just go to the render option. So here, we'll enter the name of our project. Then, the attribution position is basically where we want to position the Google Earth copyright watermark. If you really wanted to, you could blur it out, and I won't check anything else here or change. So, that's it. Very simple. And then I'm just going to submit. As soon as it's finished rendering, Google Earth will notify you, and then you can head over here to Animation, Cloud Renders, and there your video is ready to download. Now that we have our video, we want to head over to our editing software of choice. I'm going to use CapCut because it's free and easy to use. So here's my clip in VoiceOver on the timeline, and the first step is to start cutting up blank spaces on your VoiceOver. Add cuts to all the points where there's clearly a blank space, and then join them all together next to each other. Now that I've shortened my VoiceOver, I want to change the ratio right here to be 9:6. Now we just have to add captions. CapCut has an auto captions feature, so this part of the process is very easy. So go to Text, then click Auto Captions and Create. And now we have these captions. Next, go up here under Text and click Templates. Now you can choose the template that you like. So I'm going to choose this preset right here, adjust it, and change the color of the text if needed. Let's see how it turns out.
Imagine a place where secrets whisper through ancient stones, where the echoes of history reverberate with tales of power, betrayal, and even murder. Welcome to the Tower of London, a fortress steeped in mystery and intrigue.
I think that looks pretty good. You would definitely want to edit the captions a little bit more, changing the font, increasing the stroke or shadow, and you can also add background music. Make sure to download it in 1080p so that the quality is nice and clear. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is an untapped niche with crazy potential. It's completely original, so you don't have to worry about getting unoriginal content strikes. You have a lot of potential to go viral with these videos. This is simply way more engaging and fun to look at than still images. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.